Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and it always feels so great to get organized. These Pendaflex hanging file folders are a really important way for me to store and organize papers, bills, receipts. They're just so well made and sturdy, and I use them in a filing cabinet. I even have a portable file holder, and they work just as well in that. This set also includes 1/5 cut plastic tab holders. So I can use my label maker to create nice labels to identify the types of files that are in that particular folder. And the folders just glide so easily along the file bars. So I can get to them, I can find what I'm looking for easily. I really need all the help I can get in staying organized with all the papers and files that I have. And these Pendaflex hanging folders have really made such a difference, and that's my point of view.